All right, what's up, guys? We're up here with our first bike for the Let's Hear It series. So we're gonna jump into the mods that he's got on it, and pretty excited to get a bike done on here. All right, man, what do we got?
All right, so we got a 2006 Yamaha R6. It's got a cat delete, Y-pipe, GYTR exhaust, ECU tuned by X-Plane R1. It's got other stuff like levers, block off plates, Translogic quick shifter, and auto blip. Fender eliminator, aftermarket license plate. It's pretty much it as far as mods go. So
Decent list, man. Decent list.
too bad.
No, we're excited to get this done, so let's jump into it. Guys, pretty excited for this. So he's coming around, he's gonna be doing his first run down the road here, so we'll get 2 of these runs. We'll get it from the drive-by, from the launch, and from on rider, so pretty excited for this. All right, guys, now that we got those runs done, we're gonna go ahead and do the hill, which is a neat thing we're doing here. And we'll get 4 separate shots going up the hill as he does a run up the hill here. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Excited to get that one in there. And hopefully that gives you an idea of like some different downshifts, or, you know, as he's laying into some load as it's coming up the hill. So we'll get everything set up and we'll get into that. Bike sounds so good.
That was fun.
That's nice sounding. I like that.
It sounds a lot better than a lot of the other ones.
It's very clean. It's very clean audio. Like it's got volume for sure, but like it is not hard. Like it doesn't hurt.
Right.
Which is crazy. Like, well, it's not crazy. I mean, like you said, it's got an actual muffler that's doing something. But all right, guys, that'll be it for this one. I'm pretty excited to have a bike up on the channel. If you got a bike and you want to come on here, hit us up. I think we can do this pretty well. This should be pretty fun. And yeah, I'm looking forward to more of them. So thanks again for bringing it up, man.
Appreciate it. Thanks for having me. It's a blast as always.
Yeah, have a fun Fun ride home.
For sure.